What did you say? What did you say? Could you say that again? Could you say that again? For example, may I ask you something? May I ask you something? What's going on? What's going on? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you busy at the moment? Are you busy at the moment? Do you know it? Do you know it? Where do you live? Where do you live? What's the time? What's the time? Can I have a look? Can I have a look? May I join you? May I join you? Can I borrow that for a second? Can I borrow that for a second? Could you speak a little louder? Could you speak a little louder? Are there any seats available? Are there any seats available? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Are you looking for something? Are you looking for something? Can you give me a better price? Can you give me a better price? Can you exchange it? Can you exchange it? Is there a taxi around here? Is there a taxi around here? For here or to go? For here or to go? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Have you ever been to America before? Have you ever been to America before? Is there anyone who can speak Russian? Is there anyone who can speak Russian? Is this seat available? Is this seat available? How long will it take to get there? How long will it take to get there? When should we check out? When should we check out? Did you make up your mind? Did you make up your mind? What time will be convenient for you? What time will be convenient for you? Can I taste it? Can I taste it? Does that hurt? Does that hurt? With whom would you like to speak? With whom would you like to speak? Can I access the internet from here? Can I access the internet from here? How often do the buses come? How often do the buses come?